out today. Let's get started. Let's start off with some punches. Light punches. So we're doing these light. Just going to let them lock out. Keep the shoulders relaxed and out of your ears. Not doing too much yet. We're just kind of warming up the muscles. Right? Break on that. Grab the hands behind the back. Let's do foot circles. Alternating. Work back behind the foot, out in front. Just warming up the body here. Shouldn't be working too hard. Right? Now we're going to do side lean stance. Turning stance. Moving off from one side to the other. Right. One side to the other. We're going to be clearing that line. Doing this, really shifting that weight. Next move we're going to work with today is going to be advancing steps. So forward, feet, step back. Whew. Now I'm trying to watch my balance. There, and step back. Split it in half. Using that line, step back. Step back. Step back. There we go. All right. So, first thing we're going to do is foot circles. Go ahead, put your arrow hands up, which is just straight and flat. Here, we're going to start off circling our left foot. Go ahead, shift all the way onto the right leg, and start circling. Big circles. Big circles, front and back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get ready to shift to the other side. All the way down and go. Doing this, I'm breathing in and out, worrying about that balance. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Back to center. It's feeling good. Now we're going to be alternating, switching feet. Ready? And go. Doing this, staying low, really turning it around. Shifting the weight, 2, 1, and back. Good. Shake it out. All right. Just going to go back up to the arms and work the punches. Let's go ahead and get back into our stance. 2 and 4, character 2, guards nice and long and out. Ready? We're going to from here and punch. Keep punching. Just at the beginning, we're moving a little bit brisker. Remember at the beginning. And 3, 2, 1, stop. Good. All right, so now from here, we're going to turn to the left. Ready? And go. Punch. Notice I'm shifting all the way back. I'm all the way back. I'm sitting back here. I could lift that leg up if I wanted to. I can do that, yeah. Keep punching. And 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Come on back. Great. Now we got, you guessed it, to the right side. Turn and punch. Keep doing this and keep control of my breath. Breathing in and out and punch. And punch. That's it. All the weights back. You know it. All right. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. And come on back. Good. Shake it out. It's the shoulders nice and loose. All right. Next up, we have the sidling turn with the punch. Ready? Go. You're turning, you're moving all the way onto one leg. 100%, 0%. Meaning 100% on one leg, 0% of the weight on the other leg. Really leaning, sidling, turning out of the way. 3, 2, 1. Get back. Great. Next, from the Mansao, we're going to do Tan punch with the turn. That's right. Ready? Go. Tan. Again, same drills, same skills. We got footwork. Really moving off. Turn. Turn. I'm just breathing normal. 3, 2, 1, back. Excellent. Let's keep it going now with the Gan, which is a splitting hand punch with the turn. That's right. Ready? Go. Gan. Doing this, hands drawn straight down, turning off. I can really be shifting my weight from one foot to the next. 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Woo. It's feeling good, it's feeling good. Great, let's keep going. Next is going to be punch, single punch with the advancing step, which means I'm going to be stepping right along this line here and back. Ready? Hope you're ready, because I am. Ready? Step, and that back fist coordinates with it. Go. Step it back. Try to step a little bit brisker here. Get a little bit of a cardio in. Get a little bit of a workout. You gotta start somewhere. And we start here. 3, 2, 1, back. Great. Next is going to be from there with the Tan punch. Tan Dar. That's what it translates as. Tan Dar. Tan with a punch. Ready? Go. And I'm stepping back. I really want to be stepping back. Quick. I'm trying to move in and out. Moving in, dancing in and out. That's it. Yep. Just find your life sometimes in those. And then last one. Great, excellent. Let's move on now. We do Gan punch. Gan and split, punch. Simultaneous. Ready, and go. Split punch. Split punch. Get the feet going with it. Oh, my line is, I wore it off. It's all right. Keep going. And quick. And quick. 3, 2, 1, and it's good enough for me. Great. Let's go ahead and do a little bit of a stretch. The stretch today is going to be right out of Suno Tao, the second section of Suno Tao, the gum sounds. Okay, so that's this part here. So you bring the hand around the back, really stretch it out. Yeah, you feel that? Really want to stretch the chest and the arms, open and back. Great. That's good. There. All right. As my thumbs are touching here, stretching, 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 keeping that tension there. Across the chest. I feel that tension across the chest here. All right? Now from there, watch this one. I'm gonna shoot the arms back and really try to keep my shoulders up. Don't let them hunch forward. Keep those shoulders up, pushing back, and breathe. Breathe. Notice I'm still kind of almost naturally holding my character 2 stance, which is keeping my legs nice and strong, nice and tight. I'm working. Shoulders are going to go forward, pull back. And bring it back up to the front. Bring it around the front. Forward stretch. Just try to get those arms long. Stretch them out and down. And breathe. Calm down here. All right, shake your arms out. Shake the legs a little bit. All right, just do a couple of nice cooling breaths here. Draw the arms back. Breathe in. As you breathe in, you just looks like you're circling the whole world up and over and down. Let's do one more breath like that. Breathe in deep. You're gonna brace the world and push forward. All right, great. This is just to show you a few different ways you can put some of the routines and movements that I've shown in my other videos together in order to get a routine going to get a great workout. With this one, we worked on the ton, the gon, which are both videos I had before, along with some of the footwork. You might want to check out those videos as well. I hope you guys are staying healthy and happy, and I want you all to remember, Kung Fu is for everybody. Bye.